The Lean Startup by Ries is a guide on how modern entrepreneurs use continuous innovation to develop highly successful business ventures. He defines the Lean Startup as a new approach to startup businesses that are centered on continuous improvement and change. The main idea behind this new type of business is that all businesses have one common goal: to create a profit. Although all businesses have different ways of achieving profit. Ries' definition of this goal is essentially what everyone who works in a business wants. The concept of the Lean Startup is simple: all businesses should be managed with the goal of improving their performance and production levels. In other words, instead of just focusing on the end product, the focus should shift to how the product is used. What Ries refers to as the Lean Valley concept is an approach in which everything, from the manufacturing process to the marketing strategies, should be made more efficient. By doing so, the profit generated by a business will be multiplied manifold. If you're interested in learning more about the Lean Startup and the principles it entails, The Lean Startup by Ries is an ideal choice. It is a great read to get an idea about how business organizations are currently doing. Also, you'll learn more about how you can apply these principles to your own company. You'll also learn about the tools and resources necessary to implement the Lean Startup principle into your own business operations. The best part is that Ries has assembled a collection of resources that will help you improve your own organization.